Hi there, thanks for tuning in. We'd like to give you a video tour of our Young Properties Residence 320i floor plan. Come on in. The spacious entry in this home leads you directly to the Gourmet kitchen, which features an expansive island, stainless steel appliances, Kohler plumbing fixtures, and an extra-large walk-in pantry. Next to the kitchen is the formal dining room, conveniently located so that you can entertain in style. The kitchen and formal dining room open up to the expansive great room. And the super great room personal selection featured in this home allows you to have even more additional living space. As you can see, the gas-burning fireplace makes for a cozy, family-friendly environment. At the center of the home is the indoor laundry room, perfect for organizing all of your clothes, or as a nice retreat for the canine in your life. Immediately to the left of the entry, you'll find bedroom 4, which has been converted into a home office. Conveniently across the way is bathroom 3, which comes equipped with Kohler plumbing fixtures to make your daily shower or hot bath as relaxing as possible. Now let's make our way to the second floor, where you'll find the expansive master bedroom suite. This oversized master bedroom has plenty of room for all of your furniture, which is connected to the dreamy master bathroom suite and features a distinctive cabinetry design, an extra-large separate shower and relaxing bathtub, and a spacious walk-in closet that will have everyone thinking #closet goals. Down the hall, you'll find bedrooms 2 and 3, both of which have their own large walk-in closets, where you can comfortably store your wardrobe or your kids can hide evidence of a messy room. Both bedrooms share bathroom 2. This spacious bathroom features Kohler plumbing fixtures and plenty of room for all of your bathroom supplies. And the last room upstairs on our tour is bedroom 3, which is filled with an abundance of natural light with their Anlin Monteverdi energy-efficient windows. Well, that completes our video tour of our Residence 320i, an excellent floor plan made for entertaining guests or large families looking for that perfect home. Call us today to learn more.